Hi everyone, I am doing a comparison video between my Locky BB and my Louis Vuitton Loop in the PM size. These are both of them. They're so cute. They're very different styles, I know, but capacity wise, they hold similar amounts. So if you're on a hunt or if you're considering either one of these bags, I hope that this video is helpful. Let's start off with the Locky BB. It is a top handle as well as a shoulder slash crossbody bag with a detachable strap, which is very nice. It's a smooth, I think, calfskin leather with the gold hardware. The front lock is a lock with an LV stamp on it, and it's a monogrammed canvas pleated on the sides and super cute. This is considered a mini bag for me because it doesn't hold wipes. So that's my comparison with that. I'll put the measurements down below and also a link if you wanted to purchase this bag. Capacity wise, I can put a makeup pouch. I can also put a card holder and a Hermes Calvi in here, and that fits perfectly fine. You can probably put like 2 more lipsticks on top if you wanted to, and it fits perfectly. As far as retail price, this is priced at $2,400 USD and taxes upon checkout. So this is the bag. I've also done a review about this bag. If you guys are interested, I'll link that below. Okay, for the next one, the Loop bag. So this comes with a chain strap, gold hardware. On top of that, you do have a detachable, adjustable, pre-treated canvas strap. And you do get a front pocket right here, and it is usable. And then it is just a zip opening closure. And this is like half moon shape. It's monogram canvas, like I said, so it gives a very different vibe. I do love this like chain right here. I know people have mentioned that it looks like just like a design thing, and I do like that. So cute. Capacity wise, I can fit card holder, keys, a charger, a full-size charger, sunglasses, and it does fit quite a bit. Let me take out from this bag. I'll take this Dolce & Gabbana and then this makeup pouch. I'll take both of those, and it can fit in this bag too. You just have to, the only thing is like the shape is a little tricky, so you do have to maneuver some items and be a little creative with it. But I'm not putting this in because I don't think that's gonna fit. I do have some sunglasses in there. But yeah, this is how it looks, and this has more of a wider width too. So cute. This retails $23.70 currently in the US, and then like I said, plus taxes. I love them both. So cute. I love this chain because it's just an additional thing that it's just to dress it up. So cute. Let's move on to some mod shots. I forgot to mention that both of these have interior, it's not suede, I want to say like a soft, you know what, I'm not really sure, but both of the interior linings are very soft. So I think you could just take like what do you call it, a lint roller to clean it up if you ever need to. For height reference, I am about 5 foot and size 12. So this is the first bag. This is on the adjusted clasp. If you unclasp it and doesn't have any rivets, it literally just looks like that. It doesn't clasp on each other. That makes it longer too, and it hits me below hip. Here it is on the shoulder, And here it is with the chain. And the other one, here it is on the crook of the arm, handheld. And I currently have it on the shortest setting. And crossbody. Let me put them both crossbody. So the Locky BB does hit a little bit, just a tad bit lower, and it's more flushed against the body, on me at least. And then this is just a little bit higher and not as flush because it does stick out a little bit. I think both of these bags are great purchases. If you guys were deciding on one of these, I hope this video was helpful, and definitely highly recommend both of them. I do prefer this a little bit more. I feel like it goes more with my casual daily vibe and my street style. This just to me is a little bit dressy, and also I'm not the biggest fan of the black. I know I should have went with the brown, but at that time I thought black was gonna be a little bit better, but definitely love both of them. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.